And I'm going to walk back with you as well, yeah? What could go wrong? Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rich. I'm from MC2 Audio and XTA Electronics. And I'm here today at ISE 24 to give you a brief introduction to the I68 installation amplifier, which is now shipping. This is the answer for amplifiers which you can put on the shelf, yeah, at resellers and distributors, which ticks the box in terms of kind of that medium level power, 325 at 8, 650 at 4 ohms, 1400 watts bridged, yeah, but also dip switch selectable 100 volt and 70 volt line capability. Aimed squarely at the installation market with Phoenix inputs, barrier strip outputs, easy channel linking and easy bridging from the rear panel, load monitoring should you need to report to third-party control systems, and 8 channels. Later this year there will be a lower power 8-channel model which is going to be around the 325 at 4 ohms and a 4-channel. So this amplifier is now shipping and is the answer to your high Z, low Z installation amplifier needs. If you require more information, please head over to the MC2 website where you'll find more information on the MC2 I68 amplifier. Thanks for watching.